We're on a roof in Montgomery's Dalreda neighborhood, and I wanted to show what we do on roofs that have very low slope panels. This roof has what's called a 4-on-12 roof panel, and what we've done here is we've stripped it right down to the roof deck. And Alex, if you'll show the roof deck right here, this is an OSB roof deck, 1/2-inch OSB plywood. And what we've done is we've put a layer of storm guard underlayment on top of the OSB. It goes directly on top of the OSB plywood. This is a film surface leak barrier, and it rolls out, and then we take the plastic off, and the adhesive side sticks directly to the plywood. And so what happens when you have a wind-driven rain, or it takes a while for the water to drain off the roof, if any water gets behind the shingles, it drains directly on this, and there are no roof leaks. So that's why we like to use that here. It's better to use something like this than regular felt paper. And if you'll, Alex, come over here real quick. We also space our shingles differently on flat roofs. So first of all, this is not a flat roof, but it does have positive drainage. But you can see the shingle spacing here. Water drains between these seams, and the shingle spacing is about 10 to 12 inches here. This allows the water to drain through the seam and not come in contact with a fastener. When water comes in contact with a fastener, you have a roof leak. So that's it. I just wanted to explain some of the different procedures that we take when we're dealing with low slope shingle roof applications.